Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are creating something simple, warm and magical using just messenger and jute. This craft is relaxing, beginner friendly and perfect for the home decor or gifting. So sit back, relax and let's make something beautiful together. Before we begin, let me share a small story. There was a small girl, Ella, who loved collecting simple things, old jar, teeny shells, small buttons and piece of wood. Her grandmother always told her, beauty is not expensive thing, beauty is low loving you create something with your hands. One evening, Ala picked up an old mason jar and wrapped it with jute, and just like that, she created a lantern that looked like it came from a fairy tale. Today's craft is inspired by Ala's creativity. You will need for this crafting a mason jar, jute rope or jute twine, hot glue gun, scissor, ribbon, lace, pine cones or any decoration, a tea light candle or fairy light, white paint for frosty look. Start with a small dot of hot glue at the bottom of the jar. Attach the end of jute rope. Now slowly begin wrapping the jute around the jar. Enjoy this movement, feel the texture. The moment's crafting is peaceful. Ella used to say the best arts come from calm hands and calm hearts. If you want a rustic look, wrap the jute a little loosely. If you want the jar look neat and clean, wrap it tightly side by side. Ella loved rustic design because she believed imperfection make handmade things beautiful. Glue the end, trim the extra jute, wrap a thin jute thread or lace around the mouth of the jar. This give it soft when touch. You can tie a bow, add a pine cones, glue a teeny cinnamon stick, decoration in on your style. Place a tea light candle or fairy lights inside the mason jar. When the light shines through the jute, it glows like a warm fire inside a teeny cabin. Ella used to keep her jar lantern by the window. Every evening, its soft light guided her grandmother home through the village door. One winter night, a big storm came. All the lights in the village went out. People were scared and the streets were dark. But Ella just her jute wrapped messenger and stepped outside. Her warm little lantern shined gently. Soon after, village came out whole holding their own handmade jar lantern. Before long, the whole street glowed with small warm lights. Light me by hand with love. That night, the villagers learned when we create something with our hands, we also create hope, comfort, and togetherness. You can place your jute jar on a table, shelves, near your window, a part of Christmas holiday decor, or use it as a beautiful handmade gift. And that's it. Your simple mason jar has become a warm, glowing decoration for your upcoming Christmas event, your holidays. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, so please must watch video till the end and share the video with your friends and family, and also post your valuable comments, your thoughts, your suggestions. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead. So remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for supporting. God bless you all. Take care.